Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.